In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email themes from Beefree to Mautic. Before we begin, make sure you've already exported your Beefree email as an HTML file. Keep that file handy, along with any hosted image URLs your design uses. Beefree emails generally rely on inline styles, which Mautic supports well, so this workflow is straightforward. Start by opening your Mautic account and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, head to Channels, then select Emails. This is where all of your email assets live in Mautic. Click New to create a fresh email. Mautic will ask you to choose a type. Pick Segment Email if you're sending a one-time broadcast to a list. Choose Template Email if you plan to use this design inside campaigns or automations. If you're unsure, think of Segment Email as for immediate or scheduled blasts, and Template Email as a reusable building block for workflows. Next, select the blank template. We're going blank because we're going to paste the Beefree HTML directly, rather than building with the visual editor. After selecting blank, open the builder. Inside the builder, switch to the code editor. This view lets you control the full HTML of the message. If there's any default code in the editor, erase it so you're starting clean. Now paste in the HTML you exported from Beefree. Give the code a quick scan to confirm your images use accessible URLs and that there's no external JavaScript, since email clients block scripts. If you use personalization tokens in Mautic, you can weave those into your HTML at this stage as placeholders, but keep the structure and inline CSS from Beefree intact to preserve formatting. When you're satisfied with the code, click Save. Mautic will process the content and render a preview. If anything looks off, hop back into the code editor to adjust spacing, image sizes, or links. Absolute URLs usually work best for images. This helps ensure they display correctly across different clients. Finally, apply changes and continue configuring your email. Add a clear subject line, set your sender details, and adjust any tracking or category options your team uses. If you created a segment email, you can assign the target segment and schedule it. If you built a template email, it's now ready to be referenced inside your campaign builder. That's it. You've successfully brought a Beefree theme into Mautic, keeping the design fidelity while gaining all of Mautic's sending and automation power.